Alrighty, here's the second strategy that we talked about. It's called adding up, and you would use this when you're subtracting. But if you find addition to be something that's easier for you to do, then you do the adding up method, or you can use the adding up method. All right, I am starting with 1,511, and I want to take away 868. Okay, the adding up is very similar to the subtracting in parts in that you're going to start with the smaller number. So I'm going to start with my 868, and I am going to add chunks to my 868 until I reach 1,511. So the first chunk I'm going to add is let's see, I know 800 plus 700 gets me 15. So 8 plus 7 gets me 15. And then 68 plus 0 gets me 68. Whoops, that is too much. Okay, so instead of 700, I'm going to do 600. 8 plus 6 is 14, and that is under my 1511, okay? Alrighty, so now I'm going to take my new number, 1,468, and to that, I am going to add enough to get me to my next round number of 10. So I'm going to add 2, and 2 gets me to 1,470. Now, I did that because I wanted this 70 on the end, because now I can take the 1,470 and I can add 30 to it. That's a 3, it's not an 8. I can add 30 to it, and that gets me to 1,500 or 1,500. From there, it's super easy for me to know that I just need to add 11 more. And then I reach my 1,511. Okay? Of course, I'm not done because I don't have an answer yet. I need to add up all of the little chunks that I just used to get me the answer to my problem. So 600 plus 30 is 630, plus 11 is 641, plus 2 more is 643. So the answer to the actual problem is 643. And that's it. The biggest thing with this is remembering to add these chunks at the very end. Otherwise, we don't have an answer. And that one's that. And I'll record another one, and you should have 3 strategies that you can find by looking around the channel.